14 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times 6, 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. This is the process actually. 3 goes into this one how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 3, so 0 times 3, 0, subtract 1, bring down this 4, 14. 3 goes into 14 how many times? 2. Okay, 5 times 15, which is getter, so 4 times. 4 times 3, 12, subtract, you are getting 2. So this is our remainder. So 0, 4 means 4, remainder 2 is our answer. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, then add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, so 6 times. Write 6. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. Bring down the next 0. 3 goes into 20, again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. Bring down this 0. 3 goes into 20, 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. So you can place here 3 dot. So 4.66 dot 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 is our answer. You can place here another bar over 6 to mean that this 6 is repeating.